Hello guys, welcome to Orman's Knowledge. Today I brought many hidden shortcuts of MS Word. So let's have a try on it. Very popular and here are the very rare shortcuts of MS Word that anyone not know it. So the first one is highlight text. If I have text here, I have this text, this sentence here, so I want to highlight this sentence with a shortcut, but here the shortcut is not seen here, text highlight color. So the shortcut is Ctrl Alt H. Just press it to highlight your text. Press it again to remove highlighting. The next one is change case. So I have text here, I have sentence here, so I want to have it in capital letters or in another sentence case. So just select this and press. If you can also change your sentence case lower uppercase. So I want to change the case of the sentence by a shortcut. Just press Shift F3. You can see here that it changes to capitals. This is small letters. This is a sentence case. Next one is bullet. Now I can apply the bullet from this option that I will just click on it to apply it. But I want to apply the bullet with a shortcut. So just press Ctrl Shift L to apply bullet. Just press enter. The next line will also begin with new bullet. You can also just type here anything. All the lines will begin with new. Next one is line spacing. Spacing is here an option that you can use for line spacing, paragraph spacing. I have text here. I want to apply the line spacing and paragraph spacing to it. So I can select here 1.5, 1.5, 2.0, anyone I want that I can select. But anyone want to apply this line spacing with a shortcut, just press Ctrl 1. It is just for 1 point. And just press Ctrl 2. It is just for 2.0. Like you can see here. 1.0 to select Ctrl 0, Ctrl 2. And just press Ctrl 5 for 1.5. You can see here 1.5, but the default line spacing is 1 point. So the default line spacing is 1.0, 1.15. The next one is headings. What are the headings? Headings are the option which give your title to your text. It's called headings. Now I want to apply headings for video, heading for this sentence, and this is the heading. So I want to apply headings on it. I can apply here heading 1. Here are two headings are, but I want to apply it by a shortcut. So just press Ctrl Alt 1. It is the shortcut for heading 1. You can see here. And for heading 2, just press Ctrl Alt 2. It is the shortcut for heading 2. And if I have another sentence and I want to apply another heading 3 from it, so just press Ctrl Alt 3 to apply the heading 3. So these were the shortcuts of headings. Create a table. You can create a table by just simple shortcuts. I can also create a table within insert table, and here I can create my own table that I want. But I want to create a table. I want to create a table with shortcuts, keys. So just press plus and press the tab key. Also tab key if you want to have 3 or more tabs between your columns or rows, so you can apply it, but I want 1 tab. So press again plus tab plus tab plus. So just press enter. Look, you can see here the table is in here. So if you want to have a lot of rows and columns, the table is here. Now if you want to increase your columns and rows, just press tab key. Here you can use your columns and rows more than you want. Next one is bookmark. Now bookmark is an option here. You can see here, you can see links bookmark. here, but the shortcut is not written with it, so I have a shortcut to have bookmark in my. I have text here, so I want to have bookmark in this text, so just press Ctrl Shift F5. You can see your bookmark. Just give your bookmark name and just click on it. You can also apply bookmark from here. You can use insert date. Now you can insert date your document by shortcut. I can also insert it here. Just come to insert date and time. Just click on anyone, click OK. So this is the date. If you want to insert your time, you can select this and just click OK. This is the time. But I want to insert date and time with a shortcut quickly. If I have work quickly, then I want to insert date and time with a shortcut quickly. So just press Alt Shift D for date, Alt Shift T for time. This is the shortcut of Alt Shift D for date, Alt Shift T for time. Next one is word count. Here is an option, word count. Shortcut is not written with it like spelling grammar F7, but here is a shortcut seeing here. So if I have text here, and I want to see all of the words here, I want to see all of the properties and counts of the word, so just you can apply it with you can see it with the shortcut. Just press. You can also use this word count like in this, but you can show it with a new shortcut, that is just press Ctrl Alt Ctrl Shift G. You press it, it will show all your pages, words, characters, paragraph, etc. Next one is outline view. Now what is outline view? The outline view is a view that see your document. You can see your document in outline form where the content is shown as bulleted points. So this is the outline view. If I have text here, and I want to see it in outline, just click on it. So this is the outline view of it. Like you can see, these are in the bulleted form. So I want this outline view by a shortcut key. Then you just press Alt Control O. It will just open the outline view for you, and you can use your outline view here. Control Alt O. Okay. Next one is split. What is split? Split just divide and cut. Split your document into two documents. You can scroll here the two documents at one time, but there is the option just review. Difference. This is the option split. For split, just click on it. You can see your document in two windows. You can see here that this is another document, this is another document is one, but you can see it as in a two document. But this looks like all of my text and documents are as two. You can also remove split. So here is the shortcut, that is just press Alt Control S. It will open split, and again press Alt Control S. It will remove split from your document. Macros. What is macros? Macros are the option that record your steps and that present your steps by ready-made macros that are just come to view, and this is the option. But here is the shortcut to a macros. Just press Alt F8. Like you can see here, these are the macros. This one is print layout. What is print layout? There are a lot of layouts: read mode, web layout, line draft, etc. So if I am in read mode, if I'm in read mode and I'm reading my document is a book or something else, so if I want to go to print layout, my default layout, so what I can do here is not an option that can go. I can go to print layout. So just press, you can press Ctrl Alt P to go to your default layout and print layout. You can see here, Ctrl Alt P. The next one is multi-bullets. Multi-bullets is an option which you can use to have a multi-bullets and to have a multi-styles of bullets in your document, in your text. So here is also option multi-bullets, multi-level list. You can apply, but you can apply here that you have to use first this, then select another, then this style. But I want to have multi-bullets with shortcut. What is that? That is just select any paragraph or sentence and press. You see here that you can apply multi-level list. How I can just keep your cursor here and press Ctrl Alt. You can see here Ctrl Alt L, press Ctrl Alt L, press Ctrl Alt L. So just it applies all of your multi bullets to your document if you want to to have direct access on it. New comment. New comment is an option that I can give a comment to my any of my note or document. Like I want to have a comment on this paragraph, just click a new comment, you can give your comment. But I want to give a comment by a shortcut. So here's the shortcut. Press Ctrl Alt M. It will open comment view. You can give your comment here. Next one is draft. Here is the view. In the view option we have a draft view, and like an outline view or web layout or read mode, also a draft view. So what is draft view? Draft view switches your view to see just text in your document. This is very useful for quick editing and just reading your document. So here the shortcut isn't seeing the drop down list, but I have a shortcut. You can use this shortcut to go to draft view. Just press Ctrl Alt N to go to draft view. Now this is draft view. Like an outline view was the bulleted formats, but you cannot do it. It's simple. So if you want to go to print layout, what was that? What was the shortcut of print layout? It was the Ctrl Alt. Just press it, you direct go to print layout. Remove table. Who is remove table? If I have table here, insert. If I have a table here and I have a text in this table. This table I will just apply this formatting, simple formatting, and this table have now borders. Now I want to remove these borders from this table by a shortcut. Here I also can remove borders from it from this design or formats from the table, but I want to remove the direct borders from this table. I select the borders and press Ctrl Alt U. These tables now don't have borders, but you can apply later with these table styles. So if you have borders, just press Ctrl Alt U and it will not have borders. The next one is split column, split table. Now if I have a table here and I want to split this table into two tables, so how can I do that? I can also here layout split table. This is an option, but I want to look here. The split table doesn't have any shortcut here to split it into two tables, but we have a shortcut that you can split this table into two tables. Where is that? You can do that by pressing just Ctrl Shift Enter. Just press Ctrl Shift Enter. It will split your table into two tables. So it was all of my shortcuts that I have tried my best to find these shortcuts for you, and these are the very helpful and beneficial shortcuts for your office work, your daily work. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any other shortcuts that you know, you can tell me in comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Just subscribe channel and press the bell icon for more similar videos. Thank you so much.